Who's got medic bands? I do. Who's medic? How many you got? Alright, here's what I want to do. Who's medic? Mike, are you medic? Everyone is in. Mike goes around, tags them. That's it, they're in. They got their band. Very simple. Who needs a medic band?
Who does not have one?
Come here.
Everybody should have one.
This is how we're going to do the medic band because they don't seem to know the rules of the medic band, so this is what we're going to make it. Everyone gets a medic band. Alright? One of our guys tags you. Alright? Yell back in. Take the band, tie it around your wrist, whatever you want to do. The band is your second life, or your respawn, I guess is the way you want to call it, because I don't know how they're doing this. Do we have unlimited?
Here, I'll hand one. I'll hand one to Gary.
I believe this is all we have.
I'll put one to Gary.
No, you just take it to keep it in your pocket. Oh, one. Pull it out. Now, pull it out when you get shot. Wrap it around. Mike. Yeah, Mike will run around and touch it. Or me, I'll run around and touch it. Hi. All three of us be close. You didn't tell us how many medics we had.
God damn it, son. Hold on. Yeah, let me.
Who needs a band? Good?
Where do you think I should sit to get the best shots?
Huh? I don't know, man. You move around and take film action.
Yep. How's that over there?
Anyone else can go quick down?
Spread out! North, south, east to west. At least everyone find a corner. I'll be back, Fred.
You played here, they're mostly going to try and come around, or?
You're gonna get some people coming. Yeah, they're gonna come from the rear too. So look, you're gonna see them cross